Hello everyone, Peter here, Pet how you doing guys? So, I just posted a video about the Xbox Series X, like a few days ago. And we've got the Series S, look it's 599, here and this is 594. This one, I don't know, died probably on its own. There was no liquid damage, whatever, this had liquid damage. But in both of the cases, we removed all the MOSFETs on the main power rail, yes, which goes to the APU, and the short on the APU side is still present. So it's a no fix. The rest of the coils are not showing short, which is fine, but the APU, unfortunately, it is. So that's not one now which I need a help with, but two, if you think it's still savable, please let me know, because you know it's sad that we need to let them go that easily. Yes, I will say to the customers a no fix, because what I can do if I remove the MOSFET, so I should remove the short, and the short is still existing and there's only APU on the way. Nothing else, it's getting hot. Nothing, the liquid damage was in the ultrasonic cleaner, which is behind me here. So I don't know what else I can do. If you have any idea, leave the comments down below, but that's all I wanted to show you. Two no fixes, unfortunately. I can't help it but just say a bad news to the customers. Yes, so thank you for watching. I'd be happy to hear that I can still do something with them, but that's it in this episode, guys. Hopefully to have less of them, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.